Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have my clip right here, and let's say I want to add subtitles to this clip. What you want to do for this is on the left, right click, and then go to Add Subtitle track. Just click it until you see this one. Here you go, okay. Subtitle 1, and then you can just right click it here and go to Add Subtitle. Then you can of course drag it around. Let's say we want to start it from here. Then on the right here you can edit it. For example, let's name it drone shot, and then you have your subtitle right here. And of course you can customize it however you like. For example, here you can choose your color. Let's say we want this purple. And then if you go back to caption, you can add a new subtitle. Then you get it right here, and you can again drone shot 2, for example. Then you can just go with your cursor right here, add new, and that's how you can go on with your subtitles. Okay, that was a little hack on how to add subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.